And I wanted to ask you, what gets you excited about the current state and direction of project and program management?
So what gets me excited is I see more and more emphasis on the collaborative approach of project management. I see that the main principles of Agile rub off project management overall, such as the servant leader approach, the emphasis on sharing the information, the democratizing of the decision making, the coaching, the empowering rather than the dictating. Whoever knows best should make the decision versus the person who has a title. Lots of tools also exist to make this collaboration easier, and that makes me excited as well. But based on my own experience, collaboration and empowerment are key ingredients to successful outcomes.
No, valuable. Thank you.